All right, I'm about to head out to get some lunch. Probably go do some grocery shopping so I can cook dinner and chill. It's a rainy day. I'm gonna get my umbrella. I'm a bit exhausted. I probably need some coffee. Yeah, yesterday, well, not late, involved a lot of alcohol. And because of that, I passed out and I didn't watch the Packers play. They lost and it was a really bad game actually. So maybe I'm glad I missed it. But yeah, it's gonna be raining. Just a bit. It's not crazy right now. And I've got my umbrella and protective shoes. Protective shoes. Shoes that are way better for rain. Now I have no clue. Look at that. That's kind of cool. Little area to walk. Hotels and stuff. No clue what I want to eat. I'm just going to follow my eyes. See what kind of food I can get. There is an elevator that I found. And I'm going to use that elevator for a major shortcut from this street down to like the main area of Lisbon where all the shops are. I used to walk all the way down this street, turn right, then come back up. There's an elevator here the whole time that, to be honest, doesn't look like an elevator. So we're gonna take that. I can't remember exactly where it is, but I'll find it. On rainy days here, look at the ground. I highly recommend wearing the appropriate shoes or find some way to get grip. I went out, it was like my second or third night here, and I was wearing my like nicer shoes to wear and go out, and I was sliding on these same rocks or stones, whatever, that right now I'm not slipping on. Oh, I forgot there's a market here. Whoa. They might have almost everything I want, but there's a bigger market up the way. I forgot about that market. Just so you know, it is Monday afternoon, 2:07 p.m. Not morning. I could walk down there. I've done that before, but I'm gonna take the elevator. But yeah, it's a bit, weekday dead because of the rain, because of the strike. Some things are a bit limited for what to do, so I'm gonna keep it super easy. I'm very hungry. Oh, that crane is moving pretty quickly. I just want to go look for some warm, good food, maybe a cup of coffee, maybe a glass of wine, and then, shit, I walked right into that pole. I've never seen as many cars coming here. My umbrella just hit that car. But yeah, I am super hungry and I don't want to cook. I don't know if that's the beer guy over there at the beer place, but I'm not ready for a beer, if I'm honest. I don't think it's him. And I'll cross over here. Then I could find the elevator. Only I can remember what it looks like. It's like a very inconspicuous building. And you go down this little short hallway. And then there's the elevator. I think it's like very close to here. Is this it? This might be it. Yeah, this is it. All right. So yeah, if I didn't know this from going on the other side, I would have had no clue about the elevators here. Forgot which floor to go to. It might be 1. Is it 0? Okay, 0. That might not be it. I'm on the 5th floor. What? Thought it was 3A. Okay, the flourishes are nonsense. That makes no sense. This is where I need to be. Yeah, this saves like 10 minutes out of my, no, it's probably not that dramatic, maybe like 5 minutes, but quite a bit of time, because now I'm like right in the city without the hills to worry about or anything like that. I get to get right out here and I'm here, so I'm gonna fall. Yeah, this is a huge shortcut. And if I'm not mistaken, the church, yep, the church where I went to the concert. No video of that because I respect religious places, even though it was a concert, but I went here. It's the Church of St. Nicholas. It was a great concert, just very, very great choir. Oh my God, I just smelled, it's like garlic bread or something. That was a huge whiff of garlic right there. But yeah, this whole area is kind of like the touristy downtown part of Lisbon, which I'm right next to. Again, it's Monday, so it's kind of dead. It's raining, so it's kind of dead. Oh, the Christmas market's over there. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get some food. Then I'll check out the Christmas market. A lot of places have caipirinhas, Portuguese cocktail. Wow. They have bolognese. I'm gonna be real, I'm very, very tempted to get Italian food again. I went to this place and got Italian food 2 days ago. I think it was 2 days ago. And it was great. Not an Italian person in sight. I was the only customer. But the food was great, the service was great. Everybody was super, super kind. You know what, I'm just gonna keep going towards, this wasn't the plan, but I'm gonna keep going towards the Christmas market and see. Oh man. Pushed out enough. You have some pretty decent looking sandwiches. I want something hot though. With this weather, I want to really, really get some good warm food. Like pasta. I'm becoming the hell, they have pizza and pasta. It's Portuguese style. So the reason I put the camera around my neck today, so if I haven't explained that, the camera is around my neck now. I get to hold my umbrella without issues. So I am definitely hungover. Yesterday was a bit wild. Portuguese and Italian cucina. I have a feeling I'm fighting it, but I have a feeling I'm going to end up eating Italian food. could feel it in my bones. Feliz Natal. Abraçado duro. They're like all seafood. Yeah, I am super hungover right now. What is that? Candy? Gum? I guess having a camera around my neck is gathering more attention than when I have it in my hand.
Would you like to bring some food?
Not right now. I'm just looking for some food. You saw the camera? Yeah. I have to have it because I'm holding an umbrella, but...
Have a nice day.
All right, you too, man. You'll see it. He looked at my face and he looked straight at the camera. But I don't like being approached for anything. I'll like automatically say no, even though it looks like the best food. It's a weird thing with my brain. Huh. Yeah, that's all of the Bastardo fish bar. Shit. I just stepped deep in water. I just stepped pretty deep in water. These aren't the only options. There's more. I'm wondering if I start off with some hot wine. Warm me up a bit. But I literally do not see any restaurants, I guess, beyond over there. I might literally just go back to the same place. It wasn't bad and it wasn't expensive. So I usually do not wear my beanie, and I'm wearing it today. And I'm a little hot. There's Mickey Mouse and an elf. I'm avoiding Mickey Mouse. Oh, there's, I forgot there's that. Oh, do I get hot chocolate or glue wine? I think I might get hot wine. I don't see anybody here. Oh, here she is.
This is Sabria, red wine. This is white wine and white wine. I have two sides, gold, 850.
Which is the best one?
Do you prefer cold or hot?
In terms of the taste, what do you recommend?
I like that.
You're getting a taste. Ooh, I could smell the wine. This stuff is strong. It's 20 pack. Oh, okay. It's saying pack, but I'm thinking it means set. So I get that cup and a bottle of wine for 20. I don't need that much. Kind of want hot chocolate too. That looks so good. This is not right. Try to see. I'll check for restaurants while I'm waiting. This is gonna get edited out, the audio, because it's a Christmas song. Jesus, there's so many restaurants. Try this again. There's an Italian restaurant real 1 minute away. Like you can see. I haven't seen one single plate of pasta. Hamburger. Pizza. Hola. Can I have one hot wine, please?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that'll be all.
Small, medium,
oh,
large.
medium. Thank you so much. And card's okay, right?
it's okay,
okay.
sir.
I should ask first. Perfect weather for hot wine.
This is port wine.
Okay.
It's the wine tradition of the North Portugal.
And it's stronger, right?
No.
No?
And cinnamon and orange.
So ready. I'm so ready. Perfect.
Perfect.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Merry
yeah,
Christmas.
yeah, Merry Christmas. Feliz Natal.
Feliz Natal.
Wait, and I forgot. Nuevo Ano.
No one.
Wait. Prospero.
Wow.
I learned. Prospero Nuevo Ano.
No one. Perfect.
Next time I'll be better.
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Take care. Oh shit. I almost dropped it. No, I saw that on a sign, but I've never heard it spoken before, so that was my first time trying to attempt to say in the Happy New Year. It's Feliz Natal e Prospero Novo Ano is how I was supposed to say it with Portuguese pronunciation, but she was too kind. Oh shit. Yeah, I need to drink more because it's going on my hand and it's hot. It's very hot. She was friendly with the camera. She kept, she looked at the camera when, you could see it, when she was helping the people in front of me. And I think that's why she gave a little extra explanation. What the hell? It's a cup of strawberries, and it looks like she's pouring matcha chocolate or pistachio. If it's green, I think matcha, but I think it could also be pistachio. Oh my God. What is it? Adore cream. This is just fried dough. That's pretty. Man. Yeah, this hot wine is very, 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 very good. I thought it was usually made with like regular red wine or Jesus, why is he speeding? Why is somebody speeding in the rain? Whew. If I don't eat Italian, I'm wondering what I can eat that will like make things warm. Sabor Serrano, so Serrano ham, I'm guessing. The rain stopped, I don't need my umbrella anymore. Perfect timing. Oh, I remember these. These sandwiches are ridiculous. I think these are like special bifanas. Bifanas with saya cheese, Portuguese food, bifana yellow, fried crawfish, garlic shrimp. Can't eat that. And then they have like sweet buns right next to it. I love it. I love Christmas markets. There's just so many things I could see. I wish I had more space. What are these? It looks like an alchemist book. What is that? It is. Wow. Super cool. I like these. I don't need it, but I like them.
Actually, it is a good incentive to write more.
Right.
That's all the time.
They're so
the
cool.
idea about them is to recreate the medieval one.
Okay, yeah.
The story had so much meaning that the shape was like this to preserve it for longer.
Okay.
Then we bind them directly in the leather without any glue. So it's the kind of journal you can fold them easily. It's much more comfortable.
That's so
The
cool.
paper is strong to use any type of ink.
Wow.
But my favorite parts are the little gaps like this.
Okay.
We can attach things inside without the volume. So pictures,
That's so
tickets,
cool.
plans, any kind of memory will be just fine. That's it.
Is that the smallest one you have? Do you have anything?
No, that's
Oh, okay. I see them down there.
actually we have them.
Oh, yeah.
Don't laugh, but
Maybe.
it is functional.
Maybe too small. No, it is functional. You're right.
Actually, we
Yeah,
have the
that-
pocket size.
Okay.
It's like half of it, and that's it. They have at least 120 pages.
Okay.
You're welcome.
How much are the small ones? 25? Okay, I
Sorry,
see there.
yes.
Yeah, I see now.
This is
That's not bad.
25, This is 35. That's it.
Not bad at all.
Good.
Wow. Yeah, they really caught my attention. The alchemy one here, it caught my attention. I don't do alchemy, but it
But
caught my
actually,
attention.
It's very interesting because our idea is like this. On the beginning of chemistry, the alchemists mixed the four elements: fire, earth, air, and water.
Okay.
They were searching for the fifth spirit or soul. Once you write in a journal, it's your thoughts, so your soul will be the fifth element that will complete it.
Wow.
Excuse me.
Yeah,
Each
you're good.
bottle, you can take them out and use them to put things that you like sand or a plant or a perfume.
So
Personalize
cool.
it. Yeah,
That is, how much is this one?
80.
That one's 80? 80? Okay.
80.
Wow.
With the bottles go for
Okay, I see the price out.
Without the bottles, they go for 50. When they
Okay.
go the singles, 35 or 25.
Do you have anything smaller with bottles? No, that's the smallest one. Okay. Okay. I'm still here for like a week, so I'm just kind of planning
Okay.
what I want to get, but I like these. I really like these. It caught my attention. I was just walking looking for food and then just caught my attention.
It is cool.
They're super cool. And they're all handmade here in Lisbon.
No, we are from Praga.
Okay, I'm from Praga. Okay, okay.
We are from Praga.
So cool. No, I think they're cool. These are super
I'm
awesome.
glad you like it.
Yeah. Awesome.
And yes, they are.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say it.
It's glad that you're proud. It's glad you're proud to, you know,
Yeah,
feel
we
that.
do to be, so we need to defend it.
Of course. Of course. Of course. It's beautiful. I
Some
love it.
pages, we also give them a treatment to look like parchment.
Okay, okay.
And on this size,
They look a
also
bit aged.
Yes.
That's super cool. I'll definitely be back. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna go find food.
Have a
So.
good one.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, my stomach is starting to growl. I need food in me as I'm drinking this wine and getting incredibly, incredibly tipsy. Which I don't want to do. Mickey Mouse is tall. He's hella tall. Oh man, this wine is hitting me incredibly hard. Incredibly, incredibly hard. Whew. I know hair of the dog, but holy shit. This shit got me pretty drunk pretty quick. Not drunk, but I'm getting tipsy. And I barely touched it. Look. All right. I think I might just sit here a bit and finish this wine and then go. There's an Italian restaurant right across from me. I'm gonna check the reviews. Is this the one that I just checked? It is. I still don't see too many pasta options. Oh. Baked? They have baked pasta? And tacos? Nah, hell nah, dog. They've got pasta, pizza, and tacos. I think I'll go somewhere a little more authentic. I know it may sound like I wasn't seriously considering the bound book, but I might pick up a small one. I don't have a lot of space. Weight is a concern. This is my first of many countries. So I can't just load up on everything that my eyes see. But that's interesting. I almost did something. Oops, I gotta wait. I think I literally might just go back to the restaurant I went to before. Service was good. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna get splashed. Service was really good. The food was great. Like I said, there wasn't a single customer there. There was no Italian people anywhere. Maybe for like 20 miles. But the food was damn good. I am getting incredibly... Oh, there's the castle. The castle's literally like behind the Airbnb I'm in. I'm getting to more and more shaky ground. She was begging, and of course I'm not gonna pay because I don't have cash. I have no money. There's another market over here? What? What is going on? I didn't know this. It's just more.
Hola.
Now, here's all the restaurants. I think the restaurant I went to is down there. Let me walk around here. Kind of pastries. It's a really fancy looking pastry shop. I feel very little support from my feet as I walk on these streets. I am getting incredibly tipsy and I barely touched this. Holy shit. And I'm trying not to slip. This road is a little bit uneven. Hold on. While I'm protected from the rain here, I'm gonna... Alright. Panda Cantina. Man, if they had some really good, authentic Chinese food. That sounds good. I went to a place in Amsterdam that had amazing Chinese food. There's one over there. Oh shit, this just reminded me. My Samsung smartwatch is broken. It's not working. It's not connecting to some server to get an update, and it's on this loop. And something smells like burning plastic. What the hell? But apparently there's, if I take it to any watch supply place, they can fix it for like 15 euros. I said watch supply, watch shop. Oh, this is the hotel.
As coisas e não lhe apareçam elas.
Donuts and coffee. Damn, that sounds good. There's literally just so many options that I have decision paralysis. Like I think the Italian place is right over here. I'm not even halfway done with this yet. Oh, hell no, that carbonara looks so damn good. I might have to get that. But again, zero Italian staff. It's like everybody besides people who make pasta, but the other day proved that it doesn't matter. It's so good. I should have got a small one. I have no business getting this medium one. No business at all. I don't see trash can. I might not finish this. I might just toss it. I'll see if they'll let me take it in. Oh, there's a trash can here. There's a trash can here. Whew. I think I had like a third or a quarter left. Let's see if my Italian restaurant friends remember me. All right, just finished eating. Thank you so much. Maybe see you again. Take care. Huh? Always. I'm always recording. Not when I eat, but from now. Yeah, I have boundaries. Of course. Yeah, of course. Hold on.
Look familiar to me.
Really? I'm not. I have like 89 people, so it's a new channel, kind of new channel. But I used to live in Japan, so it used to be my life in Japan, but I don't live there anymore. So it's a new channel.
No worries.
Hold on one second. Perfect. Yeah. Hold on one second. If I have service, here we go. It is called. It's very. Oops, not there. There. Tommy Travels On. Yeah. If you remember it.
New subscribers.
Please.
Yeah.
I'm waiting. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
I'll be waiting. If I don't get you, I'm not coming back.
No.
I'll wait. No, I'm kidding. I'll be back. Thank you guys so much.
Bye.
Take care. See ya. I couldn't hear? Okay. Be careful. Wait. Take care, guys. That was awesome. They saw that I was vlogging, but the woman said that I looked familiar, and I'm like, no, I've only got 89 followers and or subscribers, and I think mostly everybody was 4 when I lived in Japan. But excuse me, I am stuffed. That carbonara was great, but just super heavy compared to the bolognese that I had the other day. Oh man. So I decided I am done for today. I'm gonna go grocery shopping, and then I'm gonna go hang out in my Airbnb for the rest of the day. Play some games. There's a lot of games that have come out or updates or whatever. I've got nothing to do, no rush. I have 9 more days here. This week has a bit of rain, as you can see. Today, tomorrow morning. Wednesday looks clear, so I booked a 10-hour tour. And man, the rain just changes everything. Yeah, I booked a 10-hour tour to, sorry, hold on. I'm going to Sintra and Cascais, I think that's how you pronounce it. But yeah, where the heck? I'm lost. I don't know. I might need to go over here more. Yeah, let me. But I love how that staff was. They said, I'll get some new subscribers. And I said, if I get 3 new subscribers soon, I'll be back. And the guy said something as I was leaving. I thought he said, then we'll see you in a few days. But then I thought he said, I'll see you next year. So I don't know what I heard, if I heard properly or what, but yeah. It's like torrential raining. I'm about to take the elevator back up and go grocery shopping. I'm not going to go up that one. This elevator gives me final destination vibes, even though it's not today. So, the city's crazy. There's just so many hills and like these hidden elevators in places like this. I'll show you another one when I go to the grocery store. Probably should press the button. Wait, there's another one. Even better. There's no close button. I don't know. Usually there's a close button. Please go up, thank you. I am absolutely stuffed. I need to get some water, some carbonated water, and some stuff to cook maybe. No, I can't even think about food right now, I'll be honest. Stuffed. Oh, hell no. That's like a grate, and you could see right down to the bottom floor. Hate that. Wow. What that sign said was kind of crazy. I'm not gonna, I mean, it's true, but I'm not gonna record what it said. It's a little violent, but violent towards the right people. That sounds crazy without, wait a minute. Trust me, 99% of the people who would see what that said would agree with what I just said, but I'll leave it. Oh, police are letting me go. Try to see if beer guy is over there. I learned his name, especially like when I saw it on, he had an ad that showed on Instagram for the event with his name. I think it's like Nui, N-U-I. But when he said it like his full name with the like Portuguese funk. Yep, that's him over there. He's talking to somebody next door. I do not want or need a beer right now, so I'm good. Yeah, straight up there, there's steps. Will take me to the castle, but there's an elevator in there. I'll go show you. All right. Now there's a lot of people going to the elevator. I'll go some other day. So I need pineapple. I'll get 2. Let's save a trip. Pineapple. I'm gonna make bolognese again. Let me get more arugula. Where is it? Is it over here? Yep, here it is. Here it is. Rucola. There's arugula. Still have some left, but I'll get some more cherry tomatoes. And then I need some meat, ground beef. Let's get some carbonated water. I'll go for the pineapple flavor again. Perfect. And then packed ground beef. God, it smells like fish so strong in here. Here we go. There's like dried fish right next to me. So there's ground beef. Coffee pods would be great. I just don't know which ones to get. And I don't want to break the machine. I'm gonna be real, my stomach is not happy right now. My stomach is very unhappy. I need pasta. Oh, here it is. It literally says right here. This brand seems to be all over, so I only used half last time. And then I get some bolognese sauce, and it will be good. maybe over there. Man, that carbonara may have messed my stomach up. It's just cream, not anything else. The cream, my stomach is quite weak. Tomato manchetti salad? This might be... Oh no, there's a bolognese sauce here. That better not fall. That better not fall. All right, good enough. I need nothing else. I think I need 2 bags. I'll get you. Buona tarde. It's so far down. I am too tall for Portugal. I hate how the tomatoes just easily come out of that. That happened last time. But I washed them, so. Okay. Card. It's not too expensive. $19.22. Obrigado. I knew that was gonna happen. I knew it was gonna happen. Go. We're all good. This tour group is still here. All right. Let's get home. To be very honest, I think I'm going to go back and crash. I think that that hot wine screwed me up. That was a lot of wine to drink. What I'm going to do is, excuse me, I am going to dump the videos that I've been taking with this. It's been a while since I've done that, so just to protect my, oh man, he's smoking weed. Just to protect the videos I've taken already. A car has come up behind me. I don't think there's any coming. You know what? I'm gonna go to the other side. We're all walking the street. I'm looking behind me. Oh man. Yeah, this is what you do on a rainy Monday in Lisbon. cannot wait to go to the restroom. I drank way too much of that wine. The street should be very familiar to you. Sama. Reggaeton. The urge to change my Airbnb to something on the first floor has been so strong. But this location is pretty prime. All right, I'll stop recording here.